What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we've got an adapter for a lifted Big Red. People are running no front brakes on their Big Reds when they lift them up, probably because cables aren't available and stuff like that. So we're using OEM cable. This here is a piece of 6061 billet aluminum left over from an invert kit that I am making into an extension for the brake cable. This is the part that actually holds the cable. And then I took another piece of aluminum, drilled a hole in it, tapped it, turned around, and put some studs in it so that it can extend the actual cable. Wait to the end of the video, that way you get to see how it works and what it looks like on the trike. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, you might want to think about hitting that subscribe button. Majority of viewers aren't subscribed, so let's get that subscriber count back up. If you like these kind of videos and custom fabrication for stuff that hasn't been done yet, well, throw a like in there and throw a comment in there. If you've got a strange project that needs work, let me know, see what we can do. Enjoy the rest of the fabrication process and the end of the video where it's actually working and hooked up. Y'all have a great day. See you in the next one.